In this episode of Thermal Mermaid, we're going to make these two beautiful moisturizers. They're almost the same, but one is a lightweight summer lotion that absorbs almost instantly and is great for warm weather wear, and one is a heavy, rich body butter, perfect for deep moisturizing in winter. And I'm going to explain how you can take your favorite lotion formula and change them back and forth to get two different recipes for different products like this. Now, this particular formula features two very special ingredients and contains both whey, a byproduct of milk, and licorice root powder. And we're going to talk about the skin-loving benefits that both of these ingredients can have in your skincare products. Then, to top it off, we're going to take a look at how to create these two products and then study them for shelf stability so that you can gauge a reliable expiration date on your own DIY products. Now, you might know that putting food and organic material is not something that we typically do in our lotions and creams, and although we do have some exceptions here in these two ingredients, we still want to monitor and protect our creations by following it with a stability data sheet. So we have a lot to do in this episode, and if you want to make these products, then come along with me and we'll get right to work. But before we start, you may be wanting to know where to find the exact recipe for the items that we'll be making today. The formulas that you see us create before your eyes are all prepared and ready with their own exclusive video tutorials along with the printable materials in your members dashboard in the Soapmakers course at cottagediy.com. When you log into your dashboard, go down to the recipe directory, click on Lotions and Butters, and then you're going to find the recipes labeled whey and licorice. There will be one for a lightweight lotion and one for a body butter. You can click on those and each one will bring you to all the materials to learn how to make exactly these moisturizers that you see here. But of course, everything that we discuss here also applies to your favorite formulas at home too. So let's get right into it. The first thing to notice here today is that we're going to be working with two recipes. Both of these recipes feature whey and licorice. But I want to take one whey and licorice formula and make two different products with them. Now, these products are not very different from one another. One is a lotion and one's a body butter. And that means one product is going to be much thicker than the other. And for the formulas to remain balanced, they have to have different proportions of things like thickener, water, soft and hard oils. And now, you can memorize all the different proportions for all the different components to a formula, or you can use an easy tool to do the conversions for you. And I have just that tool for you to toggle this recipe back and forth from a lightweight lotion to a rich body butter. Let's go over to the lotion calculator at cottagediy.com. Now, this calculator is special because you don't have to know how to craft any type of product to use it. You just follow the prompts from the beginning to the end of the calculator. This is going to hold your hand and take you step by step all the way to the end. Now, before we get started, I'm going to mention this is a free tool. You do not have to be registered or logged in to use it. You simply go to cottagediy.com and go to the Essential Tools in the menu, scroll over the calculator, and then click on the lotion calculator to find it. Now, if you are registered and logged in, you will have more features, but we'll talk about that later. Let's start out with our body butter formula. Type in a name at the top of the formula. We're making two, so when you go to print this out, you'll want to make sure that your name is there so we don't get them mixed up. At the first drop-down menu, you're going to select what type of product that you want to make, and we'll select a body butter here. Then we'll select the unit of measurement that we want to use, and with lotions, I like to work in ounces, so I'll click on ounces, and then I will click the Calculate Water button. You have to click this button before you can move on. This not only calculates the water, but it also calculates your preservatives and some other things further down the page. So you do have to click this even if there's no water in your formula. Now, the rest of the calculator is going to hold your hand all the way through. Each box, as you move down, is going to give you a family of oils, and it will tell you how much of that oil needs to go into your product. The only thing that you need to do is select which oil you want to use, and then it can be one or more, and just make sure that this column over here adds up to 100%. So if you only select one oil, which I often do all the way down the prompt, then just type in 100 in this box. If you select 2 oils, you might want to type in 50/50 or you might want to type in 40/60. It's whatever you want. Click Calculate and you will get the instant calculations for your formula. Then move on to the next box. Each box will give you a prompt, or it will tell you that there's no oil for that box in your formula. If there's no oil, skip it and then move down onto the next box. The only thing that you need to do is select an oil and be able to type in 100 in the box next to it. That's it. Follow the prompt all the way down and add any notes or ideas that you have in mind for your project, and then click View or Print Recipe, and you instantly have a formula to print out and make. Now let's say you love your new formula, but you want to create a lighter version of the same thing, so you want to take this body butter and turn it into a lightweight lotion. Let's go ahead and refresh your calculator and go right back up to the top. Type in your name to make it different from the first one, and this time in the select down menu, select Summer Lotion Lightweight Lotion. Select the unit of measurement just like you did before and click Calculate Water. This is going to instantly give you different proportions. When you follow the prompts downward, you'll notice that you're going to have to add or leave out some of your previous boxes. For example, we're not going to put any hard oils into our summer lotion, so no mango butter in this recipe. Follow the prompts down until you get to the bottom, and then add each category as it asks you to. Keep your formula more or less as the same as the previous one if you want these to be very identical. When you get to the bottom, click View or Print Your Recipe, and then you instantly have an almost identical formula that's been recalculated for your new product. And now you can create an entire line of lotions using almost the same ingredients without having to do any of the math for yourself. Now in the next part is where we can start to get more creative. Now be sure to follow along and stay tuned for parts 2 and 3, where we go into more detail about discussing whey and licorice root powder and how it works in your skincare, and also protecting our products with our safety data sheets.